Welcome to a journey where creativity meets charm, and every piece of furniture tells a story. Rustic wood projects offer a unique way to transform your living space, blending the natural beauty of wood with your personal style. In this realm, imperfections are celebrated, and each item becomes a conversation starter, inviting warmth and character into your home. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a passionate crafter, or someone simply looking to enhance your decor, these projects provide an opportunity to create meaningful connections with the spaces you inhabit. Let's explore how rustic designs can elevate your home decor while adding a sense of joy and comfort to your environment. The timeless appeal of rustic wood furniture doesn't just lie in its aesthetic, it's deeply rooted in sustainability, functionality, and personal expression. Through these projects, you'll discover ways to bring nature indoors, fostering a tranquil atmosphere that nurtures well-being. So, grab your tools and get ready to embark on a creative adventure that will fill your home with warmth and personality. If you enjoyed this exploration of charming rustic wood projects and found inspiration for enhancing your home decor, be sure to stay with us until the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and DIY tips that will elevate your living space. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with friends and family who might also appreciate the beauty of rustic designs. Your support helps us continue bringing you delightful content, so let's craft a cozy and inviting home together. Rustic wood projects have a unique charm that sets them apart from conventional furniture and decor. The beauty of rustic designs lies in their embrace of natural imperfections, showcasing the raw and organic qualities of wood. Unlike modern styles, which often prioritize sleek finishes and symmetry, rustic furniture celebrates individuality. Each piece has its own character, telling a story through knots, grains, and variations in color. This natural aesthetic brings a warm and inviting feel to your home, creating a comforting environment that fosters relaxation and connection. One of the defining features of rustic furniture is the use of reclaimed or distressed wood. This not only adds to the visual appeal but also promotes sustainability by repurposing materials that may otherwise go to waste. The history embedded in reclaimed wood adds a layer of depth and authenticity to your decor, making each item unique. Whether it's old barn wood or reclaimed pallets, these materials exude a sense of nostalgia and charm that new, mass-produced pieces often lack. Rustic wood projects can easily be personalized, allowing homeowners to imbue their spaces with their taste and personality. DIY projects, in particular, offer limitless opportunities for customization. You can choose the dimensions, stains, and finishes that best suit your style and space. This level of customization fosters a deeper connection between the homeowner and their decor, creating a sense of ownership that brings joy to everyday living. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, rustic wood projects are often incredibly functional. For instance, a handcrafted coffee table can serve as both a central gathering place and a showcase for decorative items. Similarly, rustic shelves can be both practical and stylish, providing storage while also highlighting your favorite books and trinkets. This dual functionality is a hallmark of rustic design, making it an ideal choice for those looking to maximize their space. Moreover, adding rustic wood elements to your home can have a positive psychological impact. Natural materials are known to promote feelings of tranquility and contentment. The warm tones of wood can create a sense of grounding, while the organic shapes and textures foster a connection with nature. This biophilic design principle can enhance your overall well-being, making your living environment not just beautiful but also nurturing. Rustic decor works wonderfully in various styles, from farmhouse to industrial, making it versatile enough to suit any taste. A rustic wooden bench can be an effective accent piece in a modern entryway, while reclaimed wood paneling can add warmth to a minimalist home. This adaptability allows you to blend rustic elements seamlessly into your existing decor, enhancing the overall aesthetic without overwhelming it. Creating rustic wood projects can also be a rewarding and enjoyable hobby. Engaging with your hands fosters a sense of accomplishment, whether you're building a simple shelf or a more complex piece of furniture. This creative process not only enriches your skills but also allows you to express yourself through your handiwork. The joy of using pieces you crafted with your own hands in your home significantly elevates your living space's atmosphere. Additionally, rustic wood projects make excellent gifts. Handcrafted items carry a personal touch that is often lacking in commercial products. A rustic wooden sign with a meaningful quote or a set of custom coasters can convey your thoughtfulness and care, making them perfect gifts for weddings, housewarmings, or other special occasions. Giving handmade gifts not only brings joy to others but also deepens your relationships by sharing part of yourself through your creations. The timeless appeal of rustic wood projects also ensures their longevity. Unlike trends that come and go, rustic elements remain grounded in tradition and natural beauty. Investing in well-crafted, rustic pieces means they can be cherished for years, often becoming treasured family heirlooms passed down through generations. This enduring quality makes rustic wood projects not just decor items but also lasting investments in your home's character and story. As you embark on your rustic wood projects, consider the inclusion of various elements to enhance your aesthetic. Combining woods of different textures or stains can add visual interest and complexity, while incorporating metal accents can introduce a modern twist. The key is to strike a balance between the rustic charm and the overall cohesion of your home decor. Finally, remember that the heart of rustic decor lies in its authenticity. Embrace the flaws and uniqueness of your materials, they're what make your pieces special. Celebrate the process of creation and the stories embedded in each project. By living with items that resonate with your values and personality, you not only beautify your home but also enrich your life, making every day a little more enjoyable in your thoughtfully crafted space. As you embark on your own rustic wood projects, remember that the process is just as important as the final product. Each step you take, whether it's selecting the right materials or perfecting your technique, contributes to a sense of accomplishment and pride in your work. Take the time to explore different wood types, finishes, and designs that resonate with your personal style. Thank you for watching our video on charming rustic wood projects. We hope you found inspiration and practical ideas to enhance your home decor with the warmth and character that rustic designs bring. Your feedback and support mean the world to us, so if you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more creative projects and DIY tips. Don't forget to like the video and share it with friends and family who might also be interested in crafting their own rustic pieces. Together, we can build a community that celebrates the beauty of handmade decor and the joy it brings to our living spaces.